Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some exciting news with you, hence the clickbait thumbnail. I apologise about that, but I wasn't sure quite what to call the video. Right, I've made myself a coffee, so we'll have a quick sip and then we'll get into the news that I am very excited to be sharing with you today. So, my exciting news is that I'm going to be on a brand new TV programme on BBC One here in the UK called Sort Your Life Out. I'm going to start off by telling you all about the programme itself, and then I'll tell you a bit more about my role in it, and then I'll tell you a little bit about how it all came about. So that's my news. I'm absolutely delighted because this has been a long time coming. They first got in touch with me back in June last year. You are going to absolutely love this TV programme, so I'm so excited for you to see it. But let me tell you a little bit more about the programme itself. So as I say, it is called Sort Your Life Out. It's an hour-long show and it's all about helping families basically sort out their entire home. So I'm joining a team of 4, which is made up of Stacey Solomon. If you live in the UK, I'm sure you know who Stacey is already. She is brilliant. She loves all the home organisational side of things. And joining Stacey will be myself and also a professional, amazing declutterer called Dilly, who is Declutter Dollies on Instagram, and also a fantastic carpenter called Robert. And then myself, who will be looking after the cleaning and doing all of my cleaning hacks and tips and tricks and many of the things that I've shared with you on here. If you've watched any of my cleaning videos, you'll know that I'm partial to some slightly different techniques, so I will be sharing those as part of the programme. But the idea is that the 4 of us are going to be going into families' homes and sorting out their entire home in just 7 days. So it is a massive challenge, and what we actually do is strip everything out of their homes, and I mean everything. So every single possession that these families have will be taken out of their homes, and then it's all laid out in a warehouse so they can see all of their personal belongings out there before them and actually assess how much stuff they have. So you know that I'm a big fan of a declutter here. I'm endlessly decluttering and trying to organise my home, and this is what we're going to be doing for these families. So it's such an incredible and exciting opportunity that I can't wait to get involved with. I think you are going to absolutely love this programme. Imagine if all of the objects in your home, every single possession you owned, was taken out of your home and laid out in a massive warehouse in front of you, and imagine what that would look like, because that is what you're going to be seeing on this programme. And then from there, they're able to make some decisions about what sort of things they want to keep or part with. And then what we're going to do is clean their homes, upcycle pieces that they have, repurpose things, so do everything on a real budget, just really utilising the stuff that they've already got and then making the most of the spaces that they already have and actually giving them space back in their home. So it's a really exciting project. I am so excited to be part of it, and it's a really inspiring watch as well. It's really uplifting, it's really positive, it's really fun. It's a bit of an emotional roller coaster because obviously it does involve things like parting with possessions and that kind of thing, but I do think you're going to absolutely love it. I promise I'll stop saying that. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. I'm just very excited about all of this and to be able to share this news with you. So yeah, that is what the programme is all about, and yeah, as I say, I am going to be focusing on the cleaning within these homes. So I will be getting my hands dirty, I'll be getting my dusting slippers on, and I'll probably take my toilet brush drill with me as well to really get down and dirty and get all of these houses sparkling. But it's such an exciting process, seeing places transformed. I mean, we're all a fan of a makeover here, aren't we? You know I love a room makeover as well, and seeing that kind of really satisfying before and after, whether you've sorted something out, tidied it, upcycled something, cleaned it, whatever that process is. I think it is such a brilliant thing to do. Obviously I've done it loads and loads and loads of times on this channel, so now to be able to do this as part of a TV programme and also be able to do it for other people, because I genuinely think that the process that we're doing in these families' homes will be life-changing for them. These are epic sort outs that we're doing. It's not just a quick kind of, oh, I'll just we once ran with the hoover and a quick tidy up and a couple of bags to the charity shop. This is on another scale. This is a scale that none of us have ever seen before, I don't think. So yeah, it is very, very exciting. And I won't say any more, that I think you'll love it, but you're gonna love it. So let me tell you a little bit about how this came about. So basically, last year in June, I think it was, I got an email from the production company just saying to me that they wanted to talk to me about a TV opportunity. So I just emailed them back, said yes please, that sounds exciting. I think we were in lockdown at the time, and yeah, I had a chat with one of the producers, had a little chat on the phone, told me all about the programme. I thought this sounds right up my street. It sounded like a dream job when he was explaining it to me, and immediately I just felt really excited about the possibility of this programme, regardless of whether I was going to be in it or not. I was just excited to be able to watch it. When he described to me what the show was all about, I just thought, that is something that I would love to watch. I love makeover shows, I love home interior shows, and I love all of that kind of stuff. So when he told me all about the programme, I was just really excited. And then he asked me if I would just do like a bit of an audition kind of chat over Zoom. So I gathered some of my cleaning supplies and took together kind of some of my hints and tips and that sort of thing. And then that afternoon I then recorded a kind of screen test over Zoom so that they were just able to get a little bit of an idea of kind of what I was like having a chat on the old Zoom, which was fine. I just felt like I was doing one of my YouTube videos, so that was all right. And then a few weeks later, they asked me to do a screen test. So they interviewed me and I did some of my cleaning hacks and just talking through kind of different ways that I clean and my various random techniques that I like to use. And that seemed to go all right. I enjoyed filming that. And then it was just a case of waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for such a long time for decisions to be made by all the various kind of powers that be who have to sign these kind of things off as to whether I would then go and film the pilot episode with them. So at this point I had no idea kind of who else was involved with the programme. I didn't know that Stacey was going to be hosting it or anything like that. So I was waiting right the way through the summer, I think it was, or at least it felt like quite a long time. But eventually they invited me in for a meeting. I still didn't know whether I was going to be on it or not, but I just thought, oh, it'd be good to go and meet them all. But then when I met them all, they told me that they wanted me to be involved in filming the pilot, which was just the best news ever. And so exciting. And then I found out who the other guys were going to be in the programme as well. So we were all put together and instantly we really bonded as a team. So we just all got on really well. All we talk about is all the stuff that we're all into anyway. So it just felt instantly like we have a lot in common. So then we filmed the pilot episode, which you may remember, I think I might have said on my Instagram that I was shooting something exciting. I couldn't say what it was at the time. And all of this was before Steph's Packed Lunch had got in touch with me. So I hadn't done any of the kind of TV stuff prior to this. So prior to starting on Steph's Packed Lunch, I'd kind of already just shot this. So yeah, the timing was bonkers, but fortunately it worked out for me that I was able to do both. I think the light might have gone a bit gloomy because the grey clouds have come in. So sorry if it's all gone a bit gloom. I feel like the light's changed. Never mind, I couldn't be bothered to put the filming lamps on today. I just thought we'd have a sit down chat and keep it cash. But anyway, then we filmed the pilot. I won't go into any details as to kind of what actually happens within the programme because I don't want to give you any spoilers. But then the BBC absolutely loved the pilot, so much so that they decided that they are going to transmit that as basically like the first episode, and then there's going to be more to follow which will be on later in the year. So I will keep you posted as to when that first episode will be transmitting, and it's going to be on in your living room. So you put the big telly on and give me the heebie-jeebies. So yeah, that is kind of the news, and that's kind of how it all came about. And yeah, I'm just over the moon and delighted to be able to share that with you. And I want to say thank you as well, because they found me through YouTube. So they found me through watching some of my cleaning videos. So I do want to say a massive thank you to you for watching me here, because that has enabled me to get this opportunity as well. So thank you very much for being here and for watching my videos and for being so supportive. And I just thought I would answer kind of a couple of questions that I've already had on Instagram, just with regards to YouTube and also to Steph's Packed Lunch as well. And that is just to say that I will be continuing doing both. Of course, I'll continue with my YouTube videos. I will be juggling everything, and I'm still going to be doing Steph's Packed Lunch on Fridays with my bargains. So if you've been enjoying that, I will be continuing doing that as well. But yeah, that's it really. That is my news. I hope you're excited as well. I hope you're excited to watch it. It is going to be a really enjoyable hour of TV, and there's no adverts in it, so you can get the kettle on, get a glass of wine, and sit back and relax and enjoy this programme. And I will confirm the date that it's going to be on as soon as I know exactly what day it's going to be, but it will be on at 8 p.m. on BBC One here in the UK. If you miss it, of course, there's always BBC iPlayer here in the UK if you do miss it, to watch it on there as well. So yeah, if you don't manage to tune in when it goes out on the TV, there will be the opportunity to see it on there too. But yeah, that's it. That is my news. So thank you so much if you've got to the end of the video, and I will be back soon with a vlog for you. I've got a vlog which includes sharing the loft plans as well. So I'll be sharing with you kind of like the floor plans of how the loft is going to be, and hopefully work will be starting on that very soon. And yeah, I just need to sort my life out now. I've got loads of stuff to do, so yeah, I'll get mine sorted, then hopefully I'll be able to be helping other people sort theirs out too. But yes, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you're excited about the news, then do give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here for new videos every single week. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.